August 2024 has been a very happening month for Wipro Hydraulics. We closed 2 acquisitions back to back. The first one with Mailhot Industries, wherein we had a plant in Canada, a plant in Mexico, and then with Job, a plant in Wisconsin in the United States. Within a week's time, we also did one more acquisition, Columbus Hydraulics, that was based in Nebraska in the United States. And on August 22nd, we did a formal opening of our first plant in the north of India in Jaipur to cater to the growing demand in the Indian market. I want to welcome Charles Massicoti, who is the CEO of Mailhot Industries. First of all, a warm welcome to you and the Mailhot and Job employees to the Wipro family, and a warm welcome to you in India.
Thank you very much, Taram.
So Charles, could you give us some insights on how you see the coming together of Wipro Hydraulics and Mailhot and Job driving growth for us?
Over the years, we developed a lot of solid partnership with different customers, with large customers. And over the years, they've been asking us to offer different product, and we're stuck with the product that we're producing. So with Wipro, we'll be able to offer them every product, all the product that they require, meaning that we'll be in a position to offer them a kind of a one-stop shop for them.
That is exciting, Charles, because if I think about it, right, so Wipro is good in making the chrome-plated rods. Mailhot does very well with the soil bad night running, and then you got the CX1 technologies. So now you have a portfolio of technologies that we can go to our customers that have the right technology for the right application. So to your point, we become a one-stop shop for meeting the application needs for our customers. So that should drive a lot more what I would call as cross-selling and drive growth for the business.
To be honest, honestly, we will be in a position to offer them so much more, so much in terms of product, in terms of technologies, in terms of coating. So I think that we'll be the only one that can offer as much in the American market.
Exciting. Charles, from Wipro perspective, we are looking at how do we grow the aftermarket, and we've been successful in certain geographies. Reman is new to us, right? And we have never looked at Reman being an additional capability that can help us to grow the aftermarket. Do you want to talk to us about the Job remanufacturing capabilities?
Reman came from the customer demand. We were offering a new product, and they were asking us if we could offer something else in between. So by having the Reman facilities, we're in a position to give the customer a kind of intermediate solution until the cylinder will have to be replaced. So we will be in the total cycle of the product in order to extend the life of the product they buy, and at the end we'll be able to sell the new product.
So this is going to be an additional capability that will get added to the overall portfolio, and so that'll be exciting growth in the aftermarket. And a lot of our customers are driving ESG goals of sustainability, and so Reman fits in very well in that. So really exciting with that addition to the Wipro portfolio. You've been to India before with your family, right, with your wife, and many years ago. You're here this week, and you've got the chance to visit our new facility in Jaipur, our oldest plant in Penia, and also Hindupur. Would love to hear from you, Charles, on your observations visiting these plants.
We were amazed about the new facility that was just launched a few days ago. It's the technology, the automation. It's a state-of-the-art facility, so it's something that we would like to replicate in America. And with regards to the other facilities, the way you've been able to produce in an efficient way is amazing. Honestly, I think that by being together, we'll learn a lot, and we'll be able to share some of the best practices that we develop over time in America as well.
Thanks, Charles. I think the one in Jaipur has been, a culmination of 4 decades of experience manufacturing cylinders, and so we really used all that knowledge to ensure our processes are well designed, are lean. We have all the poka-yoka done so we can have enhanced quality levels. I think it's going to be a world's best manufacturing facility for hydraulic cylinders, and really helping us to grow not only for today but also for the future for our customers.
Siddharam, what was the strategy behind acquiring Columbus Hydraulics so soon after Mailhot and Jar?
Great question, Charles. So let me step back and look at, articulate. For us, North America is, the largest market for hydraulic cylinders in the world. And we were not a very significant player. So we were looking for growing organically and also through an M&A route. So initially we looked at, Mailhot industry is very, very attractive, given the capabilities and the technologies and even the market penetration that Mailhot Industries has got in the refuse market segment, in the snow removal. Again, some market segments that Wipro does not participate in. We also looked at, when we looked at Columbus, we found it very interesting is Columbus plays, again, in market segments that are complementary to Wipro, but also complementary to Mailhot Industries and Job. So they are into turf maintenance, they are into marine, they also are into attachments for the agricultural and the construction industries. And most of the products are in the less than 2-inch bore size of cylinders. So now, if I have to step back and look at the portfolio now after the acquisitions too, we have the capability to make the small cylinders, the medium cylinders, and the very large cylinders. We have a diversified market segments. Wipro initially was only in the construction and the material handling part of the segments in the United States, but now we are in the refuse, in the snow removal. We are in the construction tipper markets. We are into the turf maintenance, marine, the attachment part of the business. Now we have a diversified market portfolio, a diversified product portfolio. I think it's going to be an exciting time for salespeople to go and do more cross-selling with our customers.
I totally agree with you. Our sales team is so excited because we'll be able to offer almost everything in terms of hydraulic cylinders to our customer. It's going to be a big plus. And as we mentioned, we'll be able to offer the one-stop shop that the market is requiring.
In addition, Charles, with Columbus and Mailhot and Job, I think we have now a lot more, more talent into the organization. I've been pretty impressed meeting, your leadership team, meeting the leadership team in Columbus Hydraulics. I'm really excited. So talent, broad portfolio, a diversified market segmentation. I'm convinced, right, we're going to grow and grow further in North America.
We're both convinced, of course. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.